Hi Sprouts! I wanted to teach you some sign language for the farm animals that we have here at Sunflower. We're going to start with our goats. So goat is putting your fist by your chin and then putting horns. This is like the goat's beard and horns. Goat. And then I noticed that there's some chickens in the background. So chicken is going to be 2 fingers like its beak, pecking the seeds. Chicken. Duck would be 2 fingers. Duck. Chicken.
You are just so playful. Hi, May. Hi, little May. Let's check on Honeybee. Such sweetness.
The sign for peacock is like its head and a fist and making a fan. Peacock. Here I am with Rock, our tortoise, and the way to sign tortoise is to think of like, oh, somebody's got your nose. So making a fist and putting the little tortoise's head through your fingers, and then covering your with your other hand, making it shell. Tortoise. Here I am with Miss Emily, and we have Rick with Cheerio on the loose. Here's the sign for cat. Think of whiskers. Cat. Here I am outside of Pork and Beans' pen. Pork and Beans, however, now live at a new farm in Lafayette. They were getting big, so they moved on to a different location. But here's the sign for pig. Put a flat hand under your chin. You bend your fingers, kind of like you're wiping the drool or mud from your dirty piggy face. Pig. Here's how you do the sign for llama, our guard animal. Llama. For cow, we take our Y hands, we place them at our temple. Cow. For sheep, you take your non-dominant hand, so the hand that you do not write with, and this is like the stanchion that the sheep would stand on when it gets sheared. This is sheep. This is like the shears. Sheep. And here is what a stanchion looks like when they get shorn. For a horse, we take our fingers and make the letter H, a horse, and you put them at our temples, and these are like the horse's ears flicking flies. Horse. Here we are by my favorite farm friend, Shrek. Here's how you sign donkey. It's sort of like horse, but this time we're going to use our full palm. And we think of his big, long ears, donkey. Sign for mouse. Like this, like his little nose twitching. Mouse. And then finally the sign for toad, or frog. Put your fist under your chin, and just 2 fingers like its legs hopping. Toad.